Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp issue that this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having this type issue that you're in that WhatsApp says this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam and everything else. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically this is happen when WhatsApp banned your account. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you have a simple method. You just have to contact the support WhatsApp and then discuss about your issue, or you have to try to apologize. So I'm going to use my browser here. So you have to simply go ahead to your browser, and here you just have to search for contact WhatsApp, or you can search for WhatsApp support. Once you have searched, you have to open the first website from here and then select contact us option. And here you have to simply enter your phone number, then email address, then re-enter your email address, select your device, and then enter a message below. So let's do that. So you have to enter your phone number, then email address, then re-enter your email address here. Select your device on which you're using your WhatsApp. It might be your Android, iPhone, or your weapon Dexter, your kiosk, and other. And after that, you have to enter a simple message below that is WhatsApp. I'm having an issue that my account has been banned, so please apologize. Let me use WhatsApp as soon as possible. Once you have done, you have to select the next step from here, and after that, select send question. It will send email or Gmail to WhatsApp support, and after that, you have to wait for almost 24 hours and you will receive a confirmation message on your Gmail which you have sent to that Gmail, and then your issue will be fixed. You can use your WhatsApp, you will receive your all chats will be received. So in this way you can easily fix your WhatsApp if your account has been banned. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.